Welcome back to the equipment unboxing video. What up with it? It's your girl KP. Did I scare you? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. So I purchased an optical snoot. Look at her. Ooh. Some gel colors. These are the Godos. Window. A firework. That's what I would call it. I don't know. A little line. An array of lines. This almost looks like a window too. And dots. Look at that bad boy. And you can make it smaller. You can make it wider. And that's that. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye. Let me do that better. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.